In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to what is QuickBooks for. Think of this as a friendly walkthrough of the core things QuickBooks helps you do to keep your business finances organized, accurate, and ready for decision making. Let's start with tracking income and sales. QuickBooks lets you create professional invoices so you can bill customers with clarity. Add the customer, the product or service, quantities, prices, and due dates, then send it directly from QuickBooks so everything stays in one place. If you're paid on the spot, use a sales receipt instead of an invoice. It records the sale and payment in a single step. As payments come in, apply them to the correct invoices to keep your records clean and your cash flow clear. Use the customer list and aging views to monitor outstanding invoices, follow up on overdue amounts, and keep money moving. Next is managing expenses. Record bills from your vendors with dates, due amounts, and the correct expense categories such as supplies, utilities, or software. When you pay those bills, mark them as paid so your balances are always current. Categorizing expenses consistently gives you meaningful insights later. Connecting your bank and credit card accounts helps bring transactions in automatically so you can review, match, and approve them faster, while reducing manual entry and errors. Bank reconciliation is where accuracy really locks in. Each month, compare transactions in QuickBooks to those on your bank statement and match them line by line. This process flags anything missing, duplicated, or misdated and ensures your books actually reflect what happened at the bank. A clean reconciliation history gives you confidence in your numbers and saves time at tax season. With good data in place, QuickBooks can generate the reports that matter. A profit and loss statement shows your income, costs, and net profit over a chosen period. A balance sheet gives a snapshot of what you own and owe at a point in time. A cash flow report explains where money is coming from and where it's going. Expense reports break down spending by category or vendor. Adjust the date range, compare to prior periods, and save your favorite layouts to track trends and profitability. Finally, tax preparation becomes far simpler. By tracking deductible expenses throughout the year and storing receipts, you minimize guesswork. Generate tax-ready reports and securely share them with your accountant. If you operate with VAT or GST, set up the correct tax rates, code each transaction properly, and use the built-in reports to prepare your filings with confidence. That's the core of what QuickBooks is for. Clear invoicing, smart expense